Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan for SysCon TV. I am here at 9th Cloud Expo Silicon Valley. We're in Santa Clara, California. We're here with Jay Prassl from SolidFire, which means I think we're talking for the first time on SysCon TV, Jay.
You've got it. Exactly. This is our first time.
Which in turn means that our viewers are in right at the beginning of something, because you guys are rocking and rolling. There's funding coming in. We'll tell them how much, I'm sure, in the course of our brief talk. But let's play SolidFire first. You guys are storage play.
You got it. We provide an all-solid-state storage product. It's not designed specifically for cloud service providers. We're really focused on solving a very specific problem within the cloud, which is that of the ability to guarantee performance to high-performance applications in a very large environment. So if you have thousands of customers in a shared storage environment, how do you guarantee performance to each and every one of those? That's a question a lot of cloud service providers are asking out there today, and it's a question really only SolidFire has the ability to solve. It's part of the IP that we're bringing to the market.
And I'm guessing that as they're monetizing very nicely what they're providing, they're keen to share a little bit of that with you guys to help solve this key problem.
Right. The better they are at delivering their product and services, obviously the better and the more interested they are to continue to procure from us. We are early in our life cycle. We're actually in an early access program with a variety of some of the world's largest cloud service providers right now. So, that's part of why we're getting our additional funding, and part of the growth that we're seeing is a result of that early access program.
And let's just introduce viewers to that additional funding. It's not a small change, is it?
No, it's not at all. We've raised, up to this point, we raised $12 million, and then we additionally added a B round of 25 additional million. So for a pre-revenue company, you bet, a lot of people are very interested in what we're doing, and this is a lot of fuel in the gas tank, for lack of a poor pun, to really allow us to step on the gas and get moving. So,
and how will that work? So, you're saying how early the stage is. What kind of timeline are you on, do you think?
Yeah, we're actually not really communicating too much about when we're going to GA the product because we're in this early access program right now. But you can expect next year to see this product out in the marketplace and mass consumable. But again, because of the cloud service provider market, we're very taking our time and very focused with each and every one of these customers to bring them into production in a very intelligent way.
Now, I'm guessing, I know you're here at the show exhibiting, so I'm guessing there's quite a nice line of people, but are they a little shy about saying they need performance enhancements? Do they want to try and meet quietly in the corridors? Or are they okay to come up and just shake you by the hand?
I am not going to even step up to answering that question. I'll be honest with you. But what we are seeing is cloud service providers interested, obviously, in the performance management and the ability there. But there's an additional qualifier I want to kind of add into the conversation here, which is if you have solid state and you are really fast, that's great, right? SolidFire allows you to manage that in a very intelligent way. Also good. But if that cost of that product is too expensive, it doesn't allow you to execute a viable business model, it doesn't make much sense. So SolidFire has added things like inline deduplication, compression, thin provisioning that help you lower the product cost in a cloud environment. And then we also automate the management of the system. So really it is the concert of performance management, inline efficiencies, and system automation. When you combine those three things together, you really get a powerful play in the cloud service provider space.
All right, and if I went to solidfire.com, what would I see with all this caginess about when we're going to go GA?
Yeah, well, you'd see quite a bit about the product, the solution. We're not really hiding much behind the curtain of what the system is, how it works, or the benefits it provides. That is clear and out there. There's some great blogs on the site as well. And I'd encourage you and probably many of your listeners to get out and check it out.
Okay, let's see if we can slash up their whole thing. Go to solidfire.com right now. Thank you so much, Jay Prassl, for joining us here in Silicon Valley, and thank you for watching this out there on the World Wide Web.